This is example 4. Check understandings 4A and 4B from page 288. And in this problem, we're asked to determine the number and type of solutions that we expect. And this is based on part of the quadratic formula. And the part of the quadratic formula that we're interested in here is only the part which is underneath the radical. Because what the sign is of this quantity will determine whether we're taking the square root of a positive number, which would be a real solution, or are we taking the square root of a negative number, which means we would have an imaginary solution. Okay, this quantity, b squared minus 4ac, is called the discriminant. So in a problem like this, we're asked to calculate b squared minus 4ac. And then, according to a table, which is on the same page in your book, we're going to say that if b squared minus 4ac is greater than 0, then we know that we have two real number solutions. And if b squared minus 4ac is less than 0, we know that we will have two imaginary solutions. Because we'll be taking the square root of a negative number. Which leaves one condition, which is that what if b squared minus 4ac equals 0? And if that's true, then you'd be taking the square root of 0, which is 0. And if you add or subtract 0, you get the same thing. So really, we only get one solution, and it is a real number. So one real solution. So let's calculate b squared minus 4ac for this problem. b squared minus 4ac equals 6 squared minus 4 times 1 times 9, which is 36 minus 36 equals 0. Okay, so b squared minus 4ac is 0, one real solution. Okay, second, b squared minus 4ac equals 36 squared minus 4 times 1 times 10, which is 36 minus 40, which is negative 4. Okay, so if b squared minus 4ac is less than 0, two imaginary solutions. So make sure to look at the example above that.